Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a centerpiece for your holiday dinner. Now, as of today, which is December 21st, Christmas is in a few days. I know a lot of people who celebrate that. And you want to make a centerpiece. Actually, Hanukkah 2 is coming up too. Anyway, you want to make a centerpiece that doesn't cost you a lot of money. So as you see in front of me here, we have two sets of ribbon. We have a kind of a mid-blue and a darker blue. You can use any color you want for whatever holiday you are celebrating. I'm using this as an example, so this is not going to be accurate to any holiday in particular. So here's what you want to do. You want to take your ribbon, get it as far out as you need, take your scissors, cut it. Then what you want to do is get it as far out as possible here. And I'm just going to make a mini one just to show you what you can do. There we go. So we have two of those, so I don't need this anymore. Now I'm going to take two of these. Actually, I might need more of that, but I'm just going to make... So you want to line it up how you're going to do this. So I'm just going to make a real miniature one here. Alright, so I got to cut the end off here. So I'm going to go out a little bit. I'm going to slide the camera back so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Now, just copy it. Now we don't need this ribbon anymore. So you want to lay these out a certain way, any way you like. So I'm going to do this. You kind of want to do this. So now what you want to do is flip it over. You might have to readjust it when you flip it over, but that's okay. Adjust it how you see fit. And this is not to be used as a placemat. This is used for decoration. As you can see what I'm doing here, you take your Scotch tape, you take down what you need to on the back, just like this. So now what I do is I cut a little bit this off, just like that. So now I flip it over. There are better ways to do this. This is just an experiment I wanted to do. There we go. That's why that didn't work. Okay, there we go. Just like that. So that's what this looks like. So now, if I pick it up, this is what my centerpiece looks like. It's inexpensive, and it works. So, anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.